Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to manage the font size, color and background in the display and the sound section on the Twitter application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the search icon down below, which is the second option. Now click on the settings button in the upper right corner and click on this arrow button in the upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down to the accessibility, display and languages section. Tap on it. Click on display and sound, which is the second one. Here you should select the font size on this scale. You can turn on the media previews function and also select the dark mode. As you can see, dark mode looks like this if you turn this on, and you can also select the theme such as dim and lights out. In the sound section you can select sound effects in spaces and open links in reader view, meaning that web pages will be rendered using reader view if available. You can toggle reader view for a given web page at any time. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.